Some of the boys were willing, while others they were not. To work on jams on Sunday they did not think they ought. Till 6 of our Canadian boys all volunteered to go and smash the jam on Jerry's Run with their foreman, young Monroe. They had not rolled off many logs till they heard his young voice say, "I'll have you boys be on your guard, this jam will soon give way." His words were scarcely spoken when the jam did break and go, and it carried off the Canadian lads and their foreman, young Monroe.